World of Tanks, Heat not launching, won't launch on PC. 1. Restart your PC, close Steam completely, restart your computer, open Steam again, try launching the game. Number 2. Verify game files, open Steam, go to Library, right-click World of Tanks Heat, select Properties, open installed files, click Verify integrity of game files. Number 3. Run the game as administrator, right-click the game shortcut, select Run as administrator, allow permissions if prompted. Launch the game again. Number 4, update graphics drivers. Press Windows X, open Device Manager, expand display adapters, right-click your graphics card, select Update Driver, restart your PC. Number 5, disable Steam overlay. Open Steam, go to Settings, select In-Game, enable the Steam overlay while in-game, restart Steam. Number 6, install DirectX and Visual C++. Download latest DirectX runtime, install Visual C++ redistributables, restart your computer, launch the game again. 7. Disable antivirus temporarily. Open antivirus software, temporarily disable real-time protection, launch the game, add the game folder to exclusions if needed. Disable full-screen optimization. Right-click Game Executable, select Properties, open Compatibility, enable, disable full-screen optimizations, click Apply. 9. Close background applications. Open Task Manager. Close unnecessary programs. Disable MSI Afterburner, Rivatuner overlays. Retry launching the game. 10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall World of Tanks, Heat. Restart your PC. Reinstall the game from Steam. Launch after installation completes.